welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and we are going to play a game in Play Games. So let's go in the Play Games. Okay, guys. Now we have to choose a game. I think I don't know what your guys' favorite game is. I don't know. Okay, guys. Okay, so we are gonna play. Which game should we play? Actually, I don't know. Alright. I was just scrolling my screen. Okay. I think we are gonna play Whirly Bird. So let's play. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. So we are gonna do this. Okay, guys. So start. Oh my goodness, this is like, guys, this is like so frustrating that I always had someone just better world record. Can you believe that, guys? Okay, guys, so like I'm in the top. Okay, guys, so yeah, don't get caught. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm flying. Yes, another get one of these. Yay, we're flying. No. Yes, you saved me. Yay. No. Okay, that was a close call. Yes, guys. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. So, yeah, bye.